back to the channel. If you love natural remedies, herbal solutions, and wellness tips, you're in the right place. Before we begin, I would love to know, which country are you watching this video from? Comment below. Your comments help this community grow and help me understand where my viewers are from. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more herbal remedies. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful herbs known to humankind, ginseng. This root has been used for over 2,000 years, and modern science is finally confirming why it's called a super tonic. What is ginseng? Ginseng is a medicinal root commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine and Korean herbal systems. Its real power comes from unique plant compounds called ginsenosides. These are natural chemicals that interact with your brain, hormones, immune system, stress response, and even your heart. There are two main types. 1. Panax ginseng, Asian or Korean ginseng. Strong, energizing, improves vitality and stamina. 2. American ginseng, more calming, great for stress and immunity. Both are widely used in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, and available in health stores, supplement shops, and online. Benefits of ginseng. 1. Boosts natural energy and vitality. Ginseng is famous for providing clean, natural energy. It helps your cells use oxygen better, so you feel more active without jitters or caffeine crash. 2. Enhances memory and cognitive function. Ginseng supports focus, memory, learning, mental clarity, productivity. Scientific studies show that ginsenosides have anti-amyloid properties, meaning they may help slow down the buildup of amyloid plaque associated with Alzheimer's disease. This makes ginseng extremely promising for long-term brain health. 3. Supports healthy insulin and blood sugar. Ginseng helps your body respond to insulin more effectively. Stable blood sugar means better mood, more energy, fewer cravings, and improved metabolism. 4. Reduces stress and balances mood. Ginseng is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress. It keeps you alert yet calm, which is a very rare combination. Many people notice reduced anxiety and improved emotional balance. 5. Supports testosterone and hormonal health. Studies show ginseng may help naturally support testosterone levels in men, improving stamina, vitality, strength, libido. Women also benefit, especially during hormonal imbalance or menopause. Ginseng helps regulate hormones and improve mood and energy. 6. Heart, health and rhythm support. Some studies suggest ginseng may help with certain heart rhythm issues like palpitations and arrhythmias. It supports healthy blood flow and reduces oxidative stress on the heart. 7. Protects the hippocampus, memory center. The hippocampus is the part of your brain responsible for forming memories and understanding your environment. Ginseng helps protect this region and may support better memory as you age. 8. Supports immunity and reduces fatigue. Ginseng boosts immune cells that protect you from infections. People who feel tired, weak, or frequently sick often feel stronger after using ginseng regularly. How to use ginseng. You can take ginseng in several forms. Choose what works best for your lifestyle. 1. Capsules. Most popular and easiest to take. Typical dose: 300 to 600 milligrams per day, depending on brand. 2. Ginseng tea steep. Ginseng root slices or tea bags in hot water for 10 minutes. Best for stress relief and relaxation. 3. Powder mix. Half a teaspoon of ginseng powder into warm water, tea or smoothies. 4. Liquid extract, tincture. Strongest form, fast absorption. Use a few drops in water once a day. Best time to take morning or early afternoon. Avoid late evening because it may increase alertness. Who should avoid ginseng? Ginseng is powerful, so certain people should be cautious. Avoid or consult your doctor if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you take blood-thinning medications, you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, you have serious medical conditions, You're sensitive to stimulants, always start with a small dose and increase slowly to see how your body reacts. Ginseng is truly a complete vitality herb, supporting your energy, brain, immunity, hormones, and overall strength. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and tell me which country you're watching from. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more people who love natural remedies. See you in the next video.